Let's look at this. It says the fourth term of an AP is 37 and the sixth term is 12 more than the fourth term. Find the first and seventh term. Okay? This will lead us to a simultaneous equation from observation and from what we have seen so far. Okay? The fourth term is 37. No problem. The sixth term is 12. But 12 more than the fourth term. That is, the fourth term is 37. The sixth term is 12 more than 37. Okay? That is to say, here we're going to have 49. Okay, let me just put it so that you see how we got 49. With this now, we can work this out. You agree with me? For this, we can say it's equals to A. A is the first term. N minus 1. That is 4 minus 1. Then D. This one, you agree with me, is A plus 6 minus 1 D. This equals to A plus 3D. This equals to A plus 4D. We cannot say therefore that A plus 3D is equals to 37. That is equation 1. Okay? Why A plus, this is 6 minus 1, sorry. This is what? 5D, sorry. That is 5D. It's equals to 49. Call this equation 2. What we need to do now, we subtract 1 from 1. Let's put minus here. This minus this will strike out. Okay? Why this will give us minus 2D. This will give us minus 12. Divide both sides by minus 2. This equals to 6. Okay. Now we can take the first one now. A plus 3. In place of D, we put 6 equals to 37. You agree with me that this is 18 equals to 37. A therefore is equal to 37 minus 18, which is equal to 19. A therefore is 19. Okay? Now that we have this information, let's go back to the question. The first term, we have the first term to be 19. Okay? We are also asked to find the seventh term. The seventh term is the first term. The first term that is what? That is 19 plus 7 minus 1. The D is what? 6. Okay, that is 90 plus 6 multiplied by 6, which is 90 plus 36. You add these two together, you're going to have 55. So this is what? The seventh term. Okay? All this understood. Thank you for viewing.